I'm out of status. How can I get work authorization and a social security number? How do I get a social security number and work authorization and I'm out of status? So one of the most important things to know about obtaining work authorization is you can't just apply for work authorization. So that's not something that you can apply without some other kind of basis, right? So you can get work authorization in a number of different ways and based on a number of different applications. So work authorization is not independent. It's kind of a supplement to, it's added on to some other kind of application. So let me give you one example. So one way in which we help our clients to get work authorization is if they're married either to a US citizen or a green card holder, and they're the victim of abuse. And so this happens, for example, with people that are out of status or they came into the US illegally, and they either have a US citizen or a green card holder spouse, or another situation is they entered the US illegally and they have a child who is 21 or over and a US citizen. So if they have these relationships, no matter if they're in status or if they entered illegally, they may be able to qualify for a green card. And when we submit their green card application, we also submit their application for work authorization. So that is one way, and that comes usually about 6 to 8 months after we submit that initial green card application. They'll receive work authorization. So the green card application may go on for a little bit. Usually it takes about 2 to 2.5 years to get that green card application. However, they'll be able to get their work authorization much sooner, within 6 months or so. So if you're out of status, you really can still technically be eligible to receive work authorization if you qualify for some other kind of application, right? So if you qualify for some other kind of application, a green card application, that's if you're married to a US citizen or a green card holder, or if you have a child who's 21 or over and a US citizen, you may be able to receive work authorization in as soon as 6 months if you qualify, even if you're out of status or if you entered the US illegally. So call us for a consultation to see if you might qualify. We are at 703-348-1663.